We got nowhere to be, just a slow dance with the summer heat. The world outside can't wait a few, 'cause right now we got nothing else to do. The sun is peeking through the cotton white blinds, your hands still tangled up in mine. Feet on the wall, your head on me, floating easy. We got nowhere to be, got nowhere to be.
I picked out this book because I really want to understand where I'm traveling a little bit more. I feel like a lot of times I travel and I have no idea what I'm doing, what I'm looking at, but I want to switch it up a little bit, you know? Frontal lobe has developed a little, sipping on some tea, reading some books in a cafe. This is what solo traveling is about, huh? I could get used to this. I think I'm gradually starting to overcome the anxiety of solo traveling. A lot of times I feel the pressure of needing to buy something in a store if I spend too much time in it, or like just being too aware of other people's feelings rather than what I really want. And right now, I really want to just sit here and like drink some tea. Oh my god. There was a girl who like walked past and she did a double take on me because I was speaking English and she like looked shocked. I'm fucking dead. Okay, I'm gonna read now. I'm here to try their traditional sour and spicy fish. Thoughts on solo traveling so far? I like it. I also think that it's kind of hard for me to go out there and do things because I'm by myself and I have no one to like plan with, to talk to. Today I'm going on this hike because I really want to see this mountain. I do miss my friends a lot, and I miss my boyfriend, and I miss my family, and I have put all of my emotional attachment on this cat, on my little keychain. I lost my left AirPod in the taxi yesterday, which is actually so tragic. I almost made it without losing anything. But shit happens, and I lost an AirPod, which is fine, I guess. I'll just buy a new one. I've been wanting wireless headphones anyways, so it might be the perfect time to, or I've been wanting wired headphones, so this is the perfect time to switch. Oh, there's a little child at the window. So funny. He like looked at me and then he faked that he was looking at my door. Oops. I'm currently in this really pink raincoat because it's raining so bad. I actually don't think that it would clear up that much. And I also got temporary rain shoes. You could buy all of this at like the local convenience store. I feel really prepared and equipped up to hike. Usually I feel like I'd be kind of stressed about these things, but I realized it doesn't really matter. Like, nothing's gonna go as planned perfectly, and solo traveling really, really, really makes that point clear. I think I hear a chickadee. I was going to get their vegan food for like 20 yen, but my phone fucking died on me. I think it's because it was in my bag and something was triggering the passcode, and obviously the passcode is wrong. So now it is shut off for an hour and I cannot pay. So I did not get the food. It's nonetheless so pretty over here. Basically, they don't burn incense for the Buddha, and so they use flowers in replacement of incense, which is why there's so many flowers around. I made it in the gondola. When we get to the top, the sea level is going to be nearly 2,300 meters. Kind of high, but this entire area is considered to be like Gaoyuan. So hopefully I don't get nauseous or dizzy. If I do, good luck to me. There's not a lot of people traveling right now. Like when I came to get in this gondola, no line at all. Nobody in front of me, nobody behind me, which is so rare for China. But right now, all of those kids are still in school, so there's not a lot of families out yet. During mid-July to late August is when China, wherever you go, it will be packed because everyone is out and about. All the kids have no more school, and everywhere you go, it's going to be like a 2-hour line. So thank God I avoided all of that. I'm so tired. I came back 2 hours ago and then I've been on my bed. I've been looking at places to go to eat. Solo traveling is kind of hard for me because I already spend so much time alone in my day-to-day life when I'm not traveling, that traveling is such a special experience for me. So when I do it, I want to be able to share the experience with other people, with people that I love. And for now, I feel overwhelmingly lonely being by myself and traveling and seeing all of these beautiful places, eating all of the food. I just wish I could share it with someone. But I will say it is nice being able to come back to the hotel in the middle of the day whenever I want to and recharge. It's definitely a growth experience, and I think that's what I'm going to treat it as. I'm not going to put a judgment on solo traveling just yet because it's only been 2 days. Not enough time. I think I'm going through like stages of emotions and I really need to feel it out.
The flavors are melting on my tongue.
Genuinely cannot believe that I was on that mountain yesterday. You could really tell that the places where tourists usually go really live off of tourism, and that's how they get their income, that's how the people are able to sustain themselves. Generally, outside of the tourist areas, this place is still pretty rural, I would say. A lot of the houses here are kind of broken down, and you could tell that it's mainly old people that are living here, and the young people have all gone out to like bigger cities to make a living. It's really interesting. I think tourism is bringing a lot of wealth, or maybe not wealth, a lot of money into this city, but at the same time, it does require like gentrification and kind of a deterioration of the authentic culture here. It's quite a dilemma.
这种就是直接冲泡的，像你在路上喝啊，就可以随身携带。感觉怎么样？
像那个像奶茶一样。
阿萨姆奶茶是吧？我第一次尝的时候就感觉它很像阿萨姆奶茶。要在路上吃吗？
还有，这边还有，多高一点。我在那边还有好多没人吃。
热情的小姐姐。
好的，谢谢。The first thing that I got is a gift for my sister. It's calcifer. And it's a magnet. So you could take calcifer out. You can put calcifer back. It's so cute. And then I got these pair of earrings. So pretty. Everything here in this city is like handcrafted. That's what they're mainly known for. Talking about arts and crafts, I'm gonna go make a little craft myself. I'm actually in the middle of nowhere right now. I'm so happy that I came out today. I came here today, even though it was raining in the morning. I would never have witnessed such a beautiful scene. Like the mountains, the sky, the land, the birds. Everything is so beautiful. Wow. There's a huge white bird flying here. Wow. What was that? Holy fuck. Oh my god, that was amazing. My heart is so at peace right now. Just have to take the nature in. This place is actually magical. As someone who grew up with a lot of social anxiety, like I'm talking, we're at a restaurant and I cannot order for myself because I have so much anxiety talking to people. And in class growing up, I was always a very quiet girl sitting in the corner. I think I've come a long way to be able to solo travel and do everything myself. There's going to be a lot of bad experiences as well. But without bad experiences, how can we have good experiences, you know? Okay, I'll see you in the next video. I'll still be in the same city, but exploring different places because the city is huge. And I'm also going to be in a new hotel, which is right on the other side of this lake. It's going to be really nice. Hope to see you there. Thanks for being here. Love ya.